To set Google text to speak intonation as somewhat expressive in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the home screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap screen reader, tap settings, and then select text to speak. You must set preferred engine as Google text to speak engine. First tap preferred engine and then select Google text to speak engine. Okay, tap preferred engine settings icon and then select intonation. Tap somewhat expressive.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.